Hey guys, welcome to this React video. So I'll be talking about outputting list. So in this video, I'll be talking about outputting list. How we can output our list here in this content, in this template dynamically instead of coding all the lists we want to do here. So now we'll be using our use state because later in future we can change it. So it will be going to be changing dynamically. So to use our use state, let's constant let the structure our use state, that is so const to do's comma set So to do this, I already have a data we want to output in our template, so it can't watch me outputting it here. So let me just copy the code and just put it here. So I have the data here. So it is going to be in an array. So let me format my code to make it look okay. So now we have all our data here that we want to output in our template. So to do that now, so these are the data we want to add code in our template. This is the title, learn JavaScript, then this is the body, then this is the date, then this is the ID. So this ID is a unique number. So this ID is unique to the data, so it's going to be used by our React when we output this data here. So now, didn't think of that we can do this instead of doing it this way. We can just output our data here, maybe the title, just outcode it, then the body in a p tag. So we do that for the second one, and we create another one and input the second data here. But this we can't do this because it is time consuming. It consumes time. Then just imagine when we have a lot of data, fetching a data from API, then we have a lot of data. How can we be like we have maybe more than 200 data? How can we be coding it here just like that? So it can't be possible. So we just have to use a single mode for it. So then we are going to use our map method. So now to do that, we are going to use our map method. So these are going to use our map method, a JavaScript. I'm going to write a JavaScript code here. So curly braces, to do's dot map then arrow function, then it's return so let's return a div. Let's give this div a class name of to do preview. So let's call this to do. So now this to do now you cycle through these arrays now, so we now have access to all this data. So let's come to this place and put our key here, our unique ID. So key is equal to so it will be to do dot id. So let's come here, let's make an h1 tag. So this is gonna be inside curly braces, this is gonna be to do dot title, then another h3. So no, let's make this h3, let's make it h3. So let's to do, sorry, it's going to be curly braces, to do dot body, so key tag, to do dot date, so now we now have access to these data. So let's go to our browser and we will see all these things are put in our browser. So let's check our browser, let me refresh. So you can see now, as you can see, learn JavaScript, the body and the day. So automatically everything was looped in our browser. So instead of us coding coding it like the title, writing learning JavaScript, the body, then the day, then creating another div, then to this second data here, so learn Tailwind CSS, that is stressful. So if, assuming we are getting like thousands of data from an API, are we going to be outputting it like that? No. So that's why we use this outputting this use state, this particular data, and we are using map. So let's go and style our this thing. Let's make it to look more meaningful. So let's go to our index.css. So what do we name that? Let me check. So I think to do preview. So let me go to my dots to do preview. Each one, let's change the color to let's choose the green. Sorry. So the to do, let's give it a margin top. Then px. So let's go back to our browser. I think it's looking like this. So this is the title, this is the body, and this is the date. So this is how we output our list in React.